My name is Zach. I'm a senior in high school, and I'm going through the Blue Ridge Welding program to hopefully become a pipe welder one day. I have gone through the welding fundamentals, the fabrication, pipe welder 1, and I am halfway through pipe welder 2. So I have gone through a lot. I've done my 6-inch, 3-inch, and 2-inch stick welding pipe certifications, and I have done a 6-inch carbon steel TIG pipe and a 4 and 2-inch stainless pipe certification. I chose Blue Ridge because they had what seemed like the most solid program to get me where I wanted to be. I was allowed to start taking it in high school. I like welding because every time you do it, you can make it better. I mean, you can really try to make that weld prettier, watch what you need to improve. And I mean, it's just cool. You're controlling very, very hot metal that wants to run. You get to work with some very cool equipment. It's just fun to improve and just push yourself to be better and better every time. The way things are going right now, there's more and more welders needed and less people doing it. There's a whole lot of high-paying jobs out there that no one's there to do. There's a high demand for welders, and this program will prepare me to get out in the workforce and get to making some money. So I got a job offer from a company. They only hire people right out of welding school if they've gone through Blue Ridge's program.